There's a small act of community building that you can do while staying at home, and that's making a sign. Other people can see it while walking or driving down the street, and it adds a sense of human connection. It could be a sign for essential workers, such as healthcare workers and delivery men, or it could be a funny, humorous, or ironic sign. So let's make our own sign. It might seem like a no-brainer to make a sign, but you might get some tips and get inspired while you're at it. So when making your own sign, you want a simple message such as wash your hands, thank you essential workers, keep your distance, we're all in this together. You want large, legible letters at least 3 inches tall. You can choose to use a ruler to help keep your letters evenly spaced and even height. And you want a call to action, meaning what does your poster tell people that they should do? So to make a poster, you need obviously paper. If all you have is 8.5 by 11, you can tape the 2 sheets together. Poster board is great, but you don't need to make a special trip. And you can experiment with different types of lettering, block letters, cursive letters. And here are some examples of some posters to inspire you and give you some ideas. Have fun, and let's do this together.